Yasmin, one of the creative designers here at Sizzix. It's finally December and I'm going to show you guys at home how to make a Christmas card holder. This is how I created it. To start off with, I want to cut out all my elements that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to use the Garden Green Sizzix Big Die and I'm just going to cut out all my elements. As you can see, they're quite flat and I really want them to be 3D, so I'm going to use my Sizzix sculpting tool and just sculpt around to make them 3D. So just adding some pressure, I'm just going to make them so they're more 3D. And you can do this however you like, there's no particular way. So I'm just adding pressure all on the leaves. And then I'm going to go down the centre just to break it up a bit. I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to add more pressure. So it should look something a little like this. And then for the other die cut, I'm just going to do the same. For the smaller ones like this, you can just use a smaller pinpoint. They're just going to look a lot nicer, and when I put them together they're going to look really full and realistic. So just pinching the edges, I'm just going to create a crease effect. So I've cut out all my foliage, and then I'm just going to glue gun my paper foliage onto some fake foliage that I bought from the shop. So I want them to hang down like this. So I'm going to get some glue. Pop a tiny amount down, and then just at the end I'm gonna stick down and then just pop the foliage over like so, so it hides the top. And then you can just do this in a random order, it doesn't need to be in a particular way. So again, just pop some glue down. And then your foliage, leave to dry for a second, and then put the leaf over like so. So now that you've done your foliage, you then want to attach it onto a piece of string. So I've just used some brown parcel string and leave that, and then with a piece of wire, and I'm just gonna wrap around to secure. Then using my tool, this will just help. I'm going to hold and then wrap. Then with my scissors, I'm just going to snip off any pieces of wire that I'm not going to use. And then with the string, I'm just going to carefully go in between the foliage like so. And then again, with a piece of wire, I'm just going to go around. In total you need to make 3, and make sure they're all the same size as well. So you'll need a long piece of wood like this, and I've just got this from outside and then I've sanded it down, but you can buy them. And then I'm just gonna grab my foliage and I'm just gonna tie around the top. So to hang onto the wall, again, I'm just going to use string. And then just tie at the top. And secure. Then again for the other side. So now that you have your hanger, all you need to do now is add your Christmas cards. So these cards were actually made by Pete. I'm just going to borrow them to show you. And then using a miniature peg, I'm just going to clip into place. And you can actually just make this as long as you want, depending on how many Christmas cards you have. So just attaching with some pegs. So there you have it, you're hanging. As you can see, it's just really easy and simple to make, and it's going to look great in your home. Hope you really enjoyed this video, and for more Christmas makes and inspiration, don't forget to visit our website, which is sizzix.co.uk.